Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen chips using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need just one package of instant ramen noodles. Make sure to discard the seasoning packet, as we won't be using it for this recipe. Also, have 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil ready. Finally, grab a pinch of salt and any other spices you love to add your personal touch. This quick snack is surprisingly simple to create. Now, let's prepare our ramen for its transformation into crispy chips. Begin by crushing the dry ramen noodles into small, bite-sized pieces. Aim for chip-like fragments, not powder. Next, spread these crushed noodles evenly across a baking sheet, ensuring they form a single layer. Then, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over all the noodle pieces. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of salt and your chosen spices generously over the oiled noodles for maximum flavor. This step is key for even cooking. It's time to bake our delicious ramen chips to perfection. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your baking sheet with the seasoned ramen into the oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to flip the chips halfway through the baking time, around the 4 or 5 minute mark, to ensure they get evenly golden and crispy on both sides. Keep a close eye on them as they can brown quite quickly. We want golden, not burnt. Once your ramen chips are beautifully golden brown and crispy, carefully remove them from the oven. The aroma will be fantastic. Now, the most important step for ultimate crispness. Let the chips cool completely on the baking sheet. As they cool, they will become even crunchier and more chip-like. Once fully cooled, your homemade ramen chips are ready to be served. Enjoy them as a quick, satisfying snack or even as a fun side dish. They're incredibly addictive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.